Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I actually have been waiting all month to film this video because I just got a whole bunch of shit here. If you guys haven't seen my recent haul, I'll go ahead and put the link up here. But basically, that is where I told you guys that I've been shopping like crazy. So the end of March, way beginning of April, I was just shopping. Next thing you know, there was a promotion with Sephora, which I wasn't aware of until later. So then I had to make another purchase. But then again, Macy's and Ulta and other places was having a sale. So yeah. I recently just came back from Tahoe. It was so beautiful. It was all white, snowy. It was raining, but it was snowing. It was actually really nice to be in that cold weather because it's been a long time since I've been out there for the snow. But I am also thankful for the warm weather that is coming too. Anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into the first favorite. So the first favorites I want to talk about is what I have on my lips. I am actually wearing one of the colors of Makeup by Mario. I'm wearing the Apricot Glow, which is a very peachy color as you guys can see. I just love anything peachy, orangey. It just goes well with my complexion and I just love it. But I also love me a nice brown. So this one here is called the Mocha Glow. It's a pretty darker brown, although it's a sheer and light finish. Not only are these a hydrating lip product, they actually have lip plumping serum in this, so it actually gives you a plumpier lip. You guys know me and my dry lips. I have such dry lips that when I wear this, it's hydrating, but I feel like it goes away quickly. But then again, I don't feel any plumping. I mean, my dry ass lips, dead, no nerves. I don't feel anything. I watch TikTok and Instagram, and this is where I got the idea of purchasing these. And luckily I only purchased the 2 out of all that he offers. But everyone that I see demo these, they feel the plumping instantly. I'm over here like, it's not working. But anyways, I love the formulation, the finish of it. It's really nice. One thing I do want to tell you is that when you open this and you click this, mind you that it clicks up and it doesn't go down. So don't try to click it all the way to see how much product there is, or if you want to see it in under light, because it does not go down. And if you twist it the other way, it just basically locks. It doesn't go any other way. Regardless, I've been loving these. The formulation is great. The texture is amazing. I love the sheerness. The package is really cute. It's matte, and these are actually really perfect to put in my pocket. I got myself a new foundation. I actually purchased this before the VIB, but I wanted to try it out a couple more times before actually talking about it. I've used this with and without primers, with and without sunscreens, brightening products. Today, I just have a basic moisturizer on along with this. And the only other product I have on my skin is a cream contour with a darker shade and of course a lighter one under my eye. I don't have any highlight on. I don't have any sunscreen because I'm inside and at home all day, but it gives such a glowy finish. This formulation is nice because it's really lightweight. It's buildable, but it's so airy on the skin. It literally gives you second skin finish, which I truly like. Now, this does not contain any sunscreen, which is totally fine because I can always add to it if I want to. Speaking of sunscreen, this is the Glow Recipes' newest product. This is their sunscreen that has SPF 50. Every day, if I go out, I will wear nothing but sunscreen. I don't have to wear makeup. I could just wear sunscreen, and it has to have at least 50. If everything came in 100, I would definitely just buy everything. But even though if it has a high number of 50 or 100, you still want to reactivate to protect your skin. Now this one here is Glow Recipes Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50. This is really nice because I don't know if you guys can see from the package. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can see on camera on the package from this far, but basically the package itself has a very iridescent opalish, kind of like a pearl abalone shell kind of finish. Now, I normally like glowy products, but I don't like anything glittery or pearly like this. But on the skin, let me tell you, it's so glowy. It just has a nice balance once this touches like the skin. Like when you look at this package, it's so glowy obviously, but when you feel the product work into the skin, it just gives such an illuminating glowy finish. So like I said, I can wear this alone when I'm going out and wear no other makeup, and I'm happy with this. This is also very smooth and lightweight on the skin, so it doesn't feel heavy. It contains hyaluronic acid and also has the aloe vera. To be honest, when I applied this on, because this is not my first Glow Recipe product, I automatically thought I would smell some sort of like watermelon scent, but there's no scent. But it's okay because it's such a beautiful product. And I think I really do like the fact that this has niacinamide. I think a lot of products do contain it. Probably wasn't as popular or known at the time, but I'm all for it. Niacinamide all the way. Speaking of niacinamide, I've been using this serum. This serum is so nice. This is a very light and thin formulation that once it touches my skin, I want to say, I know it just absorbs into the skin, but it feels so light that it just like evaporates. So like I just feel it just soaking into my skin right away. This formulation is going to help with tightening the skin, spot treating to lighten those dark appearances. It also has hyaluronic acid. Supposedly it helps with discoloration. I mean, like everything in this little tiny bottle. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and I only use it at nighttime because that's when I really load up all my skincare. I notice I still have a whole bunch of spots on my face, but I do feel the difference in smoothness because the hyaluronic acid in this, it's like so plumpy. So when I wake up, I just feel like there's still skincare on my skin, if that makes sense. But I've been really liking this product, and also it's fragrance free. So Fenty Skin has been like a new obsession that once I made a purchase during the promo, I automatically wanted to make another purchase to buy the refills of everything else I bought from this line. So in this video, I'm only gonna talk about 2 things because I've only used 2 of the products out of all the things I bought from her. So this one here is Fenty Skin. I love the package, it's so cute. One thing I like about this package is that it has a little spatula spoon section that you can use to remove products. And it also has like a slight little mirror so you can kind of see. I mean, it's not really a clear mirror. It has like a frosted like kind of tint to it. Anyways, it's still cute. You would think this part opens, but it doesn't. So I've tried. It actually opens like this. This has the most interesting scent. It's so refreshing. It smells like the ocean, algae. Very refreshing, but it's such a beautiful formulation. This is a gel that meets a cream. This product is actually called a gel cream. So it's light enough for a daytime or someone who's more oily complexioned, but it's also hydrating and heavy enough as a cream for someone who's more like dry combo, dry. I've been using this during the nights religiously along with this serum, and I have to say, it's actually been really nice on the skin. Again, firmness and discoloration, I don't see a big difference, but hydrating wise and plumpiness, it's been working so well. I swear, using this product for the first time was like love at first sight. Touched it, smelled it, applied it, and I just was like, I need more. So I went ahead and made another purchase to buy refills. The second product I have is also from Fenty Skin, like I said. This is the Hydra Reset. This is actually a hand mask, but I've been using it as a hand lotion because my hands are so dry. All right, this is really nice. I don't know if you guys ever use Aquaphor, Vaseline. So that stuff is really good for dryness, but it also leaves a very oily finish. During the winters, my skin and feet everywhere is just so dry that I would just slather a whole chunk on, put on some gloves and like some socks, and I wake up with like super soft skin. This stuff literally does the same, but it doesn't leave that oily griminess. Ooh, that's such a bad word, grimy? It doesn't leave like that oiliness. Whereas when I use the Aquaphor and I'm on my phone or I'm just doing things, you like literally see my fingerprints. This stuff does the same minus the oiliness and fingerprints. I love this applicator. Look at this. So I don't want to squeeze too much because I've used a lot of it, but once you squeeze a product out, it comes out in these 3 little slits, and it kind of reminds me of like a flower. I don't know what it is, but so far the 2 products from Fenty Skin, it smells so good. Okay, so with this product, I would just put a little on. And it glides so, it is a thick formulation, but it just saturates everything nicely, but it doesn't leave an oiliness. I want to say it kind of leaves like a very silky feel, but no fingerprints. To be honest, I bought like 4 of these. I can't wait to try the other products after these guys because I bought another toner, I believe a serum, and I think a face cream. I'm so excited because it smells so good. My other favorites are gonna be these beautiful bracelets. Now, these are bracelets that one of my friends actually owns, which is Mermaid Crystals. I'll put that somewhere on the screen. I wanted to support a local business, and plus she is my friend. So I bought myself these, I believe this is the pink tourmaline. She's gonna hate me because all these names I forget. I think it's the pink tourmaline with the crescent moon. Such a beautiful bracelet. If you look really closely, they actually have like little shiny and like glittery effects in each bead. When I first pulled these out of the bag, I was like, how am I gonna fit this? This is like a baby bracelet. If you pull this little gold bead all the way across, it actually expands to your size. And then you can just pull the little ball back down and it'll just be perfect to your preference. I loved it so much that I bought myself a gray one. I actually put this on backwards. As you can see, the shiny part is on the top. So I put on the bracelet backwards where it's just like this, but same thing with the adjustable strap. This also has little shiny reflective in each of the crystals. I'll post a picture when I was in the car in the sunlight. You can see how it just sparkles. It's really pretty. I also purchased more of these little mineral rocks and some other beads that I'm gonna gift to people. So if you guys love minerals and crystals, go check her out. She has a huge collection. She does live sales almost every week. She has like beautiful things all the time and at affordable price. So if you guys want to shop with her, go ahead and check out. Ooh, I have been into these splits. These are such an amazing snacks and just a quick little in between, or if you haven't eaten a protein snack or whatever it is. So one thing, I haven't posted many videos this month because I have been so busy and thankful with weddings that I just didn't have time. And also sometimes I just don't have time to eat. Sometimes I have back-to-back clients and I'm on the road, I don't have time to eat. These came in handy. So this one here is the peanut butter strawberry spread. They also have like almond butter and like grape or other flavors. This is so easy to eat, especially while I'm driving. So you basically just push all the product to the top as much as you can, and then you fold it, and then you basically just rip it at these broken lines and you just you know what? I'm about to eat this right now. So what's inside? Peanut butter, quality spread, minimal ingredients, a whole lot of yum, no GMO, no palm oil, no artificial preservatives, and no gluten. Oh my God, what if this was the one that was in my car? And I can't even open this one because I think this one is not, shoot. This one you have to cut open because, okay, and you basically just so good. Okay, I hope I don't have any peanut butter in my teeth. Okay, so the next, okay, final countdown. It's the final countdown. Okay. So the last 3 products I have are not makeup, but they are makeup related. Have you guys heard of MYKITCO? So a makeup artist actually created these, and I think they're from London, England. No, England, London, England. Okay, I can't make up my mind. It was from one of those places. They are also a makeup artist, so they understand the makeup artist's needs. It's really nice to know a makeup artist created these because they would know. We carry so many things when we're on site, and it's just nice to have a functioning bag that has all the slots and compartments instead of bringing like a million bags. But to be honest, I still bring like everything. Number one reason why I like this, it's clear. It has a zipper opening here. The front has a little Velcro, and you can store all your brushes. I literally have way more brushes than these, but I'm trying not to bring them all the time. Unless if I'm working with a super large party, I don't have time to sanitize in between, then I'll bring like all my brushes. Inside this bag, there is a divider, and it's actually made out of acrylic. So it's super hard and it's thick, so it doesn't flop over. It holds nicely. I can put dirty ones in the back, smaller brushes in the front, clean ones, any way you like. I also like the fact that it's flat on the bottom, so if I were to place it down, it's not gonna topple over. It also comes with a carrying strap, very adjustable. So for any height, I'm super short, so I like it pretty like on the shorter side, but I can also use it as a crossbody. Another reason why I like this is that there's actually detachable loops here that I can actually hook this onto my case itself. On my case, I usually like to use like these luggage straps and bungee cords. So anything that has holes or like a carabiner style, I'm really all for it because I can just attach it to the bag if I don't have room. It's just a quick, easy access to put on and off my case. This is also a makeup brush case. I figured this will be good for me if I'm doing destination weddings, so I can actually put all my brushes in here and other taller items instead of carrying like this bulkier thing. I can easily store this in my luggage or carry-on. Although this is like a plastic, it's thick enough where it holds its shape, which I like. It has a nice handle on the top, very sturdy. So again, if I have my carabiner or bungee, I can just hook this on, just let it hang on the side of my luggage or my makeup case. The zipper is nice and thick, so it's easy to hold. If I'm not using it, I can just fold it so it's nice and flat. The last case I got was such an ideal case. So this is the last makeup case that I purchased. Again, it has handles, which I'm a big fan of with handles. Again, I can just use my bungee cord and just hang this on the side of my case. It feels really sturdy, which I like. Plastic is really thick and sturdy, so I don't feel like it can puncture a hole easily. So what I like about this case is that you can actually stretch this out so it's nice and tall. So it's actually deep enough to put things, but you can actually flatten it pretty low if you have like thinner things in here. You can take the middle zipper and it opens flat, so you can see all your things if it's on the table. Then you can open the plastic tops just to have it open so you can see everything. Basically, I just love how clear this is, and you can expand it from flat to the table to half the size and store it away in your luggage. It's really crazy because as a makeup artist, I went through so many bags to, you know, a few bags. You know, it's a trial and error. Till this day, after like 15 years, I keep buying bags because I feel like this works better, this doesn't, and I can use those other bags for other things. But once I came across to MYKITCO, it was mind-blowing because as a makeup artist, they understand the needs of a bag and how important it is to carry all our tools in a compact form and way. They even have a lot of things for if you're on set, you know, small little caddy bags, which is perfect for me because sometimes when I'm on set, I don't want to bring everything or roll it to the stage. So something small like this will be perfect and handy. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. I just can't wait to reorganize my makeup kit along with those empty palettes that I bought. So when I have some downtime, I'm definitely going to reorganize everything and hopefully condense. But it's so hard because I try to condense all my things and I end up just bringing everything. So it's hard. Anyways, that was a whole bunch of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!